I was not able to celebrate my big accomplishment of getting 100K followers with hubby, which, by the way, I'm over almost 120 now. I don't know what it'll be when you're watching. We're celebrating our style.
M&R Asti and
a bucket of chicken.
That's it, baby.
Because that's how you party. So pop that cork, babe.
M&R Asti, we always have some, and when she got home, I said, we got M&R Asti if you want, but she already had some champagne with
Woo! Had one sip.
Yeah.
This is cheers to us, but this is cheers to you. Thank you for following, for liking me, for saying I have such a handsome husband, which I do. And you can look forward to a lot more content from the Applesauces north. You guys have a great night and cheers.
MommaApplesauce and old people.